Hey everybody, welcome back. Today it's time to start my pepper seeds. I'm going to take you through the process of how I select the peppers that I'm going to start for this summer 2023. Let's start with our hot peppers. Let's see, poblanos. I always enjoy those. Last year we had a terrible poblano year. I used plant starts and I just didn't get very many, so I'm going to start them from seed again this year, so that's a yes. Anaheims, honestly, I don't remember if I like those or not, so we'll put that in maybe. Put that in the maybe pile. Sugar Rush Peach, I really enjoyed the flavor of those. They had a good amount of heat for me, so that's a yes. These are poblanos that I saved. I'll just put those over there. More poblanos. Are these? These are... Wait a minute. What's the difference? I have no idea what the difference is, but I think this one is an older pack, so I'll use the older pack first. I think these are some mystery jalapeno seeds, I think. So I'm just going to go ahead and put those there. These are ones that I saved 2 years ago. I think I have even older ones that I need to use up, so we'll put those. These were so ridiculously hot. I'm not sure if I should plant these or not. They were very prolific, so if you enjoy a spicier pepper, this might be a good one for you. I'm going to put this in the maybe pile. Habaneros. I discovered that I really don't enjoy the flavor of habaneros, so that's a no. Poblanos, we have those. Jalapenos, those are always a yes. Those are early ones, and these are mild ones. They're still hot, but they're more mild. I really can't tell you if I noticed a difference in the maturation time, so I'm going to do both. And the hot pepperoncinis, yes. So, do I want this? I'll maybe do like 2 plants of it. All right, and Anaheims. I honestly cannot remember if I liked these or not. I'm going to say no, because I noticed that I plant too many hot peppers, and we really honestly don't eat that many hot peppers. You know what I'm missing? Serranos. I think I had this problem last year, so I may have to get some seeds for serranos. I enjoy those. Okay, and sweet peppers. So this year I am going to plant more sweet peppers because I never seem to have enough. This variety, something happened with this one last year, and I don't think I actually got to taste any of these. So that's going to be a yes. Shishitos. At first, I thought I didn't like them, but the more I ate them, I discovered I did. So that's a yes. This one's open, so we'll use that one. The giant Marconi, they weren't that prolific for me, so that's going to be a no. These Lemon Dream peppers, they're always so cute and pretty delicious, but they're not the most prolific. So, no. Now, Jimmy Nardello, I've got 2 different brands on this one. Love the flavor of these, but they're not as prolific either. So I'm actually going to plant more of those this year so that I can get more of them. I think this one is the open one, so I'll use that one up. This is the other Lemon Dream. I think this is the open one. Yeah. I really do enjoy the flavor of these. They just, you get like 2 at a time, and then it's several more weeks before you get any more. So that's my hesitation. I'll do them. Yeah. Bell peppers. These bell peppers, I can never seem to get enough. So definitely bell peppers. Habanadas, same thing with the habaneros. I don't like the flavor. shishito peppers. I have those already over there. Now, these were the surprise last year. These gypsy peppers, I absolutely love them. I got plant starts of these, so I haven't grown them from seed, but I saved some seeds from peppers last year. I am definitely growing these again. They were a winner. So just some more California Wonder. Always got to grow those. And like I said, I'm going to make an effort to plant more of just the basic sweet bell pepper. And the sweet banana pepper, yes. All right, so those are the peppers that we've selected. In our next video, we'll go out to the greenhouse and get those started. Everybody go and have a beautiful day. Bye-bye, everybody.